Hey everyone, welcome back to Passive Profit Secrets. If you've ever thought about making money by trading stocks, crypto, or Forex, but you don't know where to start, this video is for you. Today I'm breaking down how to start day trading as a beginner in 2025. Let's get into it. First things first, what is day trading? Day trading is buying and selling financial assets like stocks or cryptocurrencies within a single trading day. The goal? To profit from short-term price movements. Unlike long-term investors, day traders don't hold assets overnight. Instead, they take advantage of quick price fluctuations to make money. Before you start, you need three things. 1. A trading platform. Choose a reliable brokerage or trading app like TD Ameritrade, Interactive Brokers, or a crypto exchange like Binance. 2. A trading strategy. You need a plan. Whether it's scalping, momentum trading, or breakout trading, pick a strategy and master it. 3. Risk management. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and always trade with a plan. Now where should beginners start? Let's break it down. Stocks great for beginners because of regulated markets and high liquidity. Forex, the foreign exchange market, is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and offers leverage, but it can be highly volatile. Crypto available 24/7 but extremely volatile. Ideal for those who can handle risk. My advice? Start with stocks or major Forex pairs before diving into crypto trading. Here are 3 simple strategies for beginners. First, momentum trading. Buying assets that are trending up with strong volume. Second, breakout trading. Entering trades when prices break key resistance or support levels. Third, scalping, making small profits from multiple quick trades throughout the day. Whichever strategy you choose, practice on a demo account before using real money. Here's what not to do when starting out. Overtrading. Too many trades can lead to unnecessary losses. Ignoring risk management. Always use stop-loss orders. Trading without a plan. If you trade on emotions, you're gambling, not trading. Not keeping a trading journal. Tracking your trades helps you improve over time. The best way to learn? Practice. Use a demo account before risking real money. Watch market trends and analyze price action. Follow experienced traders and learn from their strategies. Apps like TradingView let you track price movements and test strategies without risking money. And that's how you can start day trading as a beginner in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making strategies. Comment below if you're excited to start day trading or if you have any questions. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.